Made from moulded polypropylene, these stackable chairs are really low maintenance, perfect for furniture that lives outside. A simple wipe with warm soapy water or even a spray down with a hose is all that's needed to keep them clean. These chairs can be easily stacked up and left outside all year round, so you don't have to worry about space and where to store them. As we tend to chase the sun around the garden, we've made these chairs comfortably lightweight so they're easy to lift and stack but stay strong and safe. All of our garden chairs are stackable, which means they won't clutter up your shed or garage when not in use. If your chairs are stored outside, the extra weight when stacked will stop your chairs flying around in the wind, reducing the risk of damage. We have also added discrete floor protectors to our chairs, not only to protect your patio, but also minimise drag noise. If you're worried about storage or getting the most from your chairs, all of our dining chairs would work just as well indoors.